Hey guys, it's Adam from Metro Hobbies, and I am so excited today. We have a big high grade. This is not a master grade, though it does appear to be. This is a high grade, the high grade Nightingale. This is an absolute beast of a kit used by Shah Aznavour in the novel Baltochika's Children. Comes with a lot of accessories, so let's get stuck into it and check out what we got. So in terms of the actual kit itself, there's no getting around it. This is one of the biggest high grades ever made. It is just so fantastic. It fills up the presence on a shelf really well. It's got an awesome silhouette with all the boosters, the funnels, the tanks on the back. Everything on this is really well detailed, and it's in classic Shah red, so very eye-catching as well. So in terms of accessories, we have the Mega Beam Rifle. It is a gigantic beam rifle. It even comes with a bipod attachment, which is really quite cool. Comes with a shield, a giant shield. This shield is just about the same size as the Master Grade Sazabi Verkar, so you know it's big when it matches a Master Grade. Comes with 6 hands. You've got 2 closed fists, 2 holding hands for the beam sabers, 1 rifle holding hand, which is already attached, and a open palmed hand, again already attached. 4 different beam sabers. These can be used all at once, which I'll get into that after. It's really quite cool. The beam Tomahawk, which does have 5 different effect parts. Unfortunately, I have seemed to have lost one of them. Very embarrassing. But regardless, they are very vigorous and very out there. Quite unique. So in terms of articulation on this kit, it is limited, but it does have some rather unique gimmicks to it. So it does balance it out quite well. Start off with the boosters up the top, up, down. You can rotate them as well. Not 360. You probably could get that, but the plastic on those joints can be a little brittle. So you do have to be nice and careful when moving this kit. The shoulder pads up the top, up, down. Obviously no sort of circular movement on that. The arms, they are double jointed. Come all the way out, all the way up. Quite good there. The legs do have basic articulation, though in terms of what you get out of it, they are big and they do cross over. So it's more of a thing you want to get in a more of a dynamic pose on a base, then you'll be able to see its full range of articulation there. There is also articulation on the gas canisters on the back. They do pop out as such, so if you do want to make it a sort of thing of ejecting the canisters in the middle of a fight against the high Nu, you can do that. Does also have canisters beneath as well, which do have articulation. The flaps on the groin area, up, down. You get a bit out to the left and right. Not absurd, but again, this does come as more of a great sort of statue kit rather than something that you're going to be putting in wacky dynamic poses. And in terms of head movement, on a ball joint there, left and right, can go forward and backward a bit. And though it is going to be a little bit difficult to show on camera, you can actually lift the whole headpiece off, and the mono eye camera in there does rotate. So if you want to have this on some awesome angles, looking very menacing, you can do that. So it does go down into little details like that, which is fantastic. And so there is also an extra set of holding arms down beneath the front skirting. These are designed to hold on to the smaller beam sabers here, which you can put straight in there. So you can have this thing holding 4 beam sabers at once, which is just astonishing. You don't really see that in any other kits, let alone in high grade. So that is pretty cool. Of course, you can have that, as I have with the long range rifle, have it close quarters and long range sort of fighting stance. Quite awesome there. In terms of stickers, this does come with actually a few sticker style decals, which is quite interesting. Comes with 1 for the shield, comes with a few on the side, few down there, some on the plating and one on the chest piece there. There are also some left over, so you do get alternatives. If you do want to mix it up and you don't just want the red comet's crest there, you can change that out as well. So you do have options there, which is always lovely when Bandai throws that in. We do love our options. So that is the HG Nightingale in all its glory, guys. It is a fantastic kit. It does have some fantastic undergating on the build itself, so you don't get as many of those stress marks on the actual full pieces of plastic. In terms of build time, this didn't take me an absurd amount of time, about a bit less than your average master grade, and it was a real joy to build. It was very unique. So pick yours up as soon as you can, guys. We have them online, metrohobbies.com.au. Feel free to drop into the store, say g'day. We're always happy to talk Gundam and all your other hobby needs. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and we will catch you next time. Take it easy.